Hi guys, this is Eli. Today we are going to be doing a shark. We're going to be painting a shark. This hangs up. What are you doing?
I can't. Stop. It's too hard to look. It's too hard to look.
Okay. All right. Today we he's being silly. Today we are going to be doing a shark. This hangs up in my car, and he had previously painted it, and the sun has totally taken all the paint away. So what I decided is we are going to try to paint it with my mica powders, and then we're going to seal it with, you know, a sealer and see what happens. So, and I figured we would videotape it, and this would be a good way to introduce you to my silly son, Eli. Okay, now you can say hi.
Hello?
Yes. Okay, so now let's set up the camera and get started.
I'm excited.
Okay, so here we are again. And as you can see, here is our shark. And the colors that Eli picked, go ahead, tell them what this color is.
Aqua, Citron, Apricot, Azure, Gold.
Yes, Eli picked all of these since this is his shark. And what we're going to be doing is we are going to put these in a cup, and we are going to be pouring it. So, okay, Eli, let's pour these in a cup. So what color do you want to start with?
I want to start with gold.
You want to start with gold?
Yes, I like gold.
Okay.
I love gold.
You love gold. All right. So let's pour. We just want to fill up the bottom. Okay, stop.
That's all we want to fill up.
Yep, fill up the bottom. Now what's the next color? We want to do a darker color now. So one of these colors. Come on, decisions.
How about this one because it looks like applesauce?
The apricot. Okay, come on, let's go. Let's pour. Alright, stop.
We're mixing all the colors up.
Alright, now blue or Azure or Aqua?
Aqua.
Okay, now let's pour.
This is funny.
Okay. Now let's do yellow. Citron. Come on, let's go. Now these are all micro powders because I want to get nice and blingy colors.
So then the sun doesn't burn it.
Well, I don't know what the sun's going to do. This is going to be an experiment.
I really hope it's not going to burn it.
I hope so too, because it'll make a mess in my car.
Yeah, it actually will.
All right, so I think we have enough. All right, now let's show them. That is what it looks like in the cup. What is nice about mica powders is they do not mix. So putting the yellow and the blue together did not make green. They stayed separate.
That looks like rainbow.
It does kind of look like a rainbow. All right, so you ready to pour this on the shark? Okay. Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, what we're going to do is here, hold it this way, this hand over here, because we're going to pour this way. Okay, you ready?
Yep.
Hold on.
Okay. This is hurting my back. No, I'm 6. Because I'm bending down a lot.
Gotta make sure we get all of it. Okay, you can let go.
Oh, thank you. Ah, my back hurts. Oh, your back doesn't even hurt.
Because I don't have to bend over.
I do, because I'm on the chair.
All right, I think that's gonna look pretty beachy.
Oh yeah, that looks like a big.
All right.
Whoa, that part right there looks like a scarf.
Well, so now what we're going to do is we're going to lift this up.
Whoa, lift it up.
Well, I'm going to move this out of the mica powder.
Talk about gloves.
I know, I don't have any gloves right now.
Whoa. Alright, yeah, that looks... Please don't fall off. That looks good.
Here we go.
That looks cool.
Okay, so now we
You
have
see
it.
It looks amazing.
Okay, dude. Just want to make sure that we get all. And what's nice is it's going to dry very vibrant.
What does vibrate?
It means it's going to pop and it's going to be like boom.
I love it.
Yes. The orange, the apricot is going to be like boom in your face. And the blue, the azure is going to
That looks amazing.
be. I know. You picked some really good colors, Eli.
Thank you.
So now we're just making sure we get all of this in here.
Actually, yeah, I'm just imagining what red will look like on there.
I know. Maybe we'll do another animal in red. Because I know red is your favorite color.
Yes.
But this is an experiment.
Oh, like if I want to
But it's
do
drying already.
a cat next.
A cat?
Yeah. You'll like it because it's a cat.
I know I like cats.
Because mommy has 2 cats. One of them is mine, one of them is mommy's.
Yes, that is correct. Alright. So I think that we can let this dry for now. And then we will come back when it is all finished. See you in a little bit. Okay, so we have not touched this since we left it. Here is, I'm gonna pick this up, the paint underneath the stuff. But the paint on top is dry. Peel this off
Wait, baby wine.
Yeah, we're going to just...
That's a funny name. This is an ad for baby wipes.
Wipe off all the residue. Make it look all nice and clean. This is the smooth side. And what's cool, dude, I just realized this blue matches my car.
So if people are colorblind,
Well,
the outside, they might notice that our car is actually blue.
the fish matches my car. So that is really cool.
Yeah.
So good choice on the colors.
Yeah.
You didn't plan that one.
And the yellow matches my car.
Your car? You don't have a car. Silly. But you know what? You said you wanted gold. You got gold.
Yeah. Golden. Can't really see the gold.
There's a
Oh.
lot of gold in there. You see the gold?
Yeah, there's gold over there, but on the back.
But yeah, isn't that cool how you can see there's different colors depending on which way it goes?
Yeah, but you can't see the gold from over here.
I know. But so depending on which way you look at it, depends on what you see.
Whoa,
That's really
it's a
cool.
little wet.
No, it just feels wet because of the bean wipe.
Baby
Silly. All right.
Let's see if it works in the car.
Well,
I
I
hope it
have
actually
to. Alright. This is the one side. And then this is the other side. And the color of my car is that beautiful blue. I love it. That's gonna look amazing. Alright, well there you have it, guys. Let's go see what it looks like in the car. Alright, everybody. Here is the new piece hanging in the car. Okay, dude, enough wows. There it is in all its glory. And once I seal it, it will probably be even better. But yes, nice and shiny. Look at that. And we have lost Eli. Eli says bye.